Are you looking for a faster, safer, and more energy-efficient way to cook? In this video, we are diving into the top 5 best induction cooktops 2025, bringing you the latest and most reliable options for your kitchen. Whether you need a powerful double burner for family meals or a compact cooktop for small spaces, we have got you covered. Each product on our list is designed to enhance your cooking experience with precision temperature control, safety features, and sleek designs. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Duxtop LCD Double Induction Cooktop is a professional-grade solution for efficient cooking. Featuring dual heating zones, it allows you to set each burner independently using the LCD display. The touch control panel ensures seamless operation, while the child safety lock provides extra protection against accidental burns. With 20 preset levels in both power and temperature modes, you can fry, steam, saute, or quickly boil water with precision. Designed for induction-compatible cookware with a magnetic bottom of at least 5 inches, this cooktop ensures optimal heating. Its lightweight yet durable stainless steel build makes it ideal for both home and outdoor use. Additionally, it includes a low and high voltage warning system and is ETL approved for safety, adhering to North American electrical standards. Taking the 4th spot is the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop, a compact yet powerful solution for precision cooking. Featuring intuitive digital controls, it allows you to make on-the-fly adjustments to temperature and cooking time without restarting the process. With 51 pre-programmed temperature settings ranging from 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, you can choose from 6 convenient presets or fine-tune the heat in 10-degree increments. The shatterproof ceramic glass surface ensures durability and safety, eliminating open flames or exposed coils. Designed for efficiency, it transfers up to 90% of its energy directly to cookware, making it faster and more economical than traditional stovetops. Whether melting chocolate at a precise 120 degrees Fahrenheit or preparing delicate sauces like hollandaise and beurre blanc, this cooktop delivers exceptional control. Next on our list is the Isiler Portable Induction Cooktop, a sleek and compact choice for versatile cooking. With 18 power levels ranging from 100 to 1800 watts, it allows you to simmer, deep fry, boil, saute, steam, and grill with precision. The 17 preset temperature settings range from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, offering fine control in 20-degree increments. Its glass ceramic surface ensures durability and easy maintenance, while large touch buttons provide seamless operation. Designed for portability, this cooktop fits frying pans between 3.9 and 8.6 inches in diameter, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, and RVs. Safety features include a child lock, overheating protection, and rounded edges for added security. The 3-hour timer allows for flexible cooking without constant monitoring. At number 2, the Nuwave Precision Induction Cooktop is a high-performance cooking solution designed for precision and safety. Featuring 51 pre-programmed temperature settings from 100 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, it allows you to fine-tune heat in 10-degree increments for complete control. The intuitive digital controls enable on-the-fly adjustments without restarting the cooking process, making meal preparation seamless. Its shatterproof ceramic glass surface is built for durability and safety, eliminating the risks associated with open flames and hot coils. With precise temperature control, you can keep delicate sauces warm or sear a steak to perfection. The automatic shut-off function enhances safety by turning off the cooktop once the set cooking time is completed or when no cookware is detected. Taking the top spot is the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop, a powerful and compact cooking solution designed for efficiency and convenience. With 10 temperature settings ranging from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit and 10 power levels from 200 to 1800 watts, it offers precise control for various cooking needs. The digital control panel includes a built-in countdown timer that can be set in 1-minute increments up to 170 minutes. Its smooth glass surface prevents food from burning, making cleanup as simple as wiping with a damp towel. Designed for safety, it features auto pan detection that shuts off the unit after 60 seconds if no cookware is detected, along with low and high voltage warnings. The durable 7-blade fan ensures rapid heat dissipation for long-lasting performance.